These are the cats that are available for adoption here at Pinellas County Animal Services at closing time on Friday, May the 4th. Our first cat is a 5-year-old long-haired male. He weighs 9 pounds, and look at those yellow-green eyes. A very affectionate cat. All adoptions at the shelter are currently $25. Now this couple are actually girls. They are orange. They're probably litter mates at 1.5 years old. They both weigh 16 pounds. They're super affectionate, and it would be great if they could go home together. Normally at the shelter we don't have adoptions on Saturdays, but this Saturday we do. We will also have adoptions going on at PetSmart in the Largo Mall, where you can find even more of our cats. Our last cat today is a 1-year-old female who weighs 7 pounds. She's not very big for a 1-year-old. Usually a 1-year-old is closer to 10 pounds. She is sleeping soundly. This would be a great lap cat. These are all of the cats that are available for adoption at Pinellas County Animal Services at closing time on Friday, May the 4th. All of these cats will be available for adoption when the shelter reopens on Saturday, May the 5th. Thank you for looking at the animals, and we hope that you come and adopt one at Pinellas County Animal Services soon.